Y'all want to get down? Okay. You crave connection. You desire intimacy. You look forward to sharing this all-important part of being human with someone that you love. But you're tired, and your sex drive is low. It hasn't always been this way. Sure, you're getting older, but that doesn't mean you should feel old. Could it be electromagnetic radiation? Yes, technology is amazing, but it also has its downsides. The truth is, we are affected 24/7 by an astonishing number of frequencies and wavelengths. So what happens when you are overexposed to EMFs? Your cells get overwhelmed by messages from the inside and the outside of our body. When your membranes become weak, they are subject to tearing and create a pathway for toxins and other stuff to spill out, which can increase your risk for premature aging and, even worse, disease. Turns out that electromagnetic pollution, as the overexposure to EMFs is commonly referred to, may increase estrogen and decrease testosterone. A 2015 study showed that overexposure to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi decreased sperm function. And ladies, according to researchers, neuroendocrine changes caused by EMFs are a key indicator in changing hormone function and may cause infertility symptoms in females. There also seems to be a positive correlation between pregnant women using devices and the ratio of fetal abnormalities. So let's dig into estrogen and testosterone and how we can balance out these important hormones, and specifically how it's not wreaking havoc in the bedroom. According to Dr. Sarah GOTTFRIED, approximately 70% of low sex drive is due to misfiring hormones. Given the world that we live in today, sadly, that's not a big surprise. Testosterone is an important sex hormone in both men and women, and women carry a much smaller amount, and it helps regulate sex drive, which is libido, right? Bone mass, fat distribution, muscle mass and strength, and the production of red blood cells and sperm. As men age, they make less testosterone. When testosterone is low, libido, hair loss, fatigue, increased body fat, loss of muscle mass, changes in mood, and more can ring true. More and more research is showing the relation between low testosterone and EMFs. Not good. Here's the role of estrogens. Estrogens, plural because there's more than just one type of female sex hormone, it's kind of like a moving target, that are also important for sex and the reproductive development. It helps with the formation, regulating menstrual cycles, skin, hair, mucous membranes, and more. When estrogen is too high, women may notice an increase in PMS symptoms, uterine fibroids, and endometriosis, and they may also notice allergies, decreased libido, fatigue, fibrostic breasts, headaches, infertility, irritability, fat gain around the abdomen, and at the top of the thighs. So it's obvious that having these two very important hormones out of whack can create problems, including in between the sheets. So what can you do? First, let's start with how you can clean up your EMF exposure. Here's 4 easy steps that you can take. Number 1, get rid of those electronics out of the bedroom. Turn them off, unplug them, do whatever you need to do, put some crystals around, you can do that as well. I mean, let's think about it. We spend literally 1/3 of our lives in the bedroom. That's why it's one of the most important rooms to focus on cleaning up energetically. I'm talking about TVs, radios, alarm clocks, cordless phones. Y'all be watching Netflix till 12 o'clock at night. Those EMFs are just filling your room. Some people are sleeping with their cell phones right next to them. Heating pads, electronic blankets, you name it, the list goes on. Get it out of your bedroom while you sleep. Number 2, reposition your bed. Make sure your bed is not positioned to have your head near the power outlets. Keep your laptop off your lap. Keep it on a table, keep it away from you, and check out those EMF protectors that are available to put under your device. That may actually be a good idea. Number 4, get in touch with nature. Grounding and being on earth helps you sleep better, promotes more energy, quicker healing, and also check out my video on why I go to bed at 7:30. It's one of my biggest health hacks. I know it sounds crazy, like who's this old guy, Grandpa Drew, go on, make the jokes. It's so worth it. So let's continue to educate ourselves, my friend, and put the power that we hold in our lives to live the best lives using the available health information right at our fingertips. Health doesn't have to be as complicated as we make it or what we think it is. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. Talk soon.
Once again.